प्रिविटी जो होता है वो बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक कंसेप्ट है रिगार्डिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ। तो हम लोगों को ध्यान में रखना है कि इसकी एप्लीकेबिलिटी कहाँ पे होती है। फर्स्टली विल रीड व्हाट इज़ दिस रूल ऑफ प्रिविटी, एंड सेकंड वी विल रूल वेयर इज़ इट एप्लीकेबल। सो वेयर में आएगा एक इंग्लिश एंड इंडियन law, English law, Indian law. Third is regarding why it should be present, why it should be present, why it should be present. And fourth is circumstances or cases regarding this rule of privity. Now हमने पहले तो रूल डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ प्रिविटी को हम डिफाइन करेंगे। डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ प्रिविटी इज समथिंग which this doctrine, firstly doctrine is something which is an established principle जो हम फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं बहुत टाइम से। established principle होता है। देन प्रिविटी मतलब है कि there is this mutual relationship regarding something, mutual relationship between two people, or between people करेंगे तो two people ही होएगा। तो between people and they and no third person can interfere between these two people. Third person can interfere. So now we will see where is it applicable. It is applicable firstly English law में जो है इसकी this English law में this doctrine is very established or firmly established, you can say firmly established। लेकिन जो वो है इंडियन लॉ, हमारे इंडियन लॉ में ये डॉक्ट्रिन, इंडियन लॉ में पहली बात तो डॉक्ट्रिन दो तरह से होती है। एक तो ये डॉक्ट्रिन भी अगर हम बात करें तो डॉक्ट्रिन भी दो तरह की है। ये डॉक्ट्रिन है एक तो प्रिविटी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन, एक है प्रिविटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। ठीक है, कंसिडरेशन जो है सेक्शन 2D में हमारे इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट में डिफाइन है 1872 कंसिडरेशन के रिगार्डिंग अगर हम बात करते हैं। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है 2H में डिफाइन है सेक्शन 2H में। बट प्रिविटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है कि नहीं है वो क्वेश्चनेबल है, वो जजमेंट्स के थ्रू हम डिसाइड करेंगे प्रिविटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हम फॉलो करते हैं कि नहीं, थ्रू जजमेंट। What are the judgments that we will see? Then privity of contract is there. Privity of contract क्या होता है कि promisee or any other person promisee or any other person can pay consideration. This is what is privity of consideration. And privity of contract में क्या होता है, privity of contract में no third party can enforce the contract between two people। ठीक है, ये है। तो ये डॉक्ट्रिन जो दोनों हैं ये फॉर्मली इस्टेब्लिश्ड हैं इंग्लिश लॉ में। बट इंडियन लॉ में प्रिविटी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कंसिडरेशन नहीं है। क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज हमारे सेक्शन 2D में ऑलरेडी बोला हुआ है कि थर्ड पर्सन दे सकता है कंसिडरेशन। तो एनी अदर पर्सन इज़ अलाउड टू प्रोवाइड कंसिडरेशन व्हेन देयर इज़ एन एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन टू पीपल। एनी अदर पर्सन कैन प्रोवाइड consideration when an agreement is among two people other than this third person. Now privity of contract के रिगार्डिंग अलग चीज़ें हैं. Privity of contract के रिगार्डिंग Indian law में there are two ways of the thought process or thinking. There are two level of thinking. First says we follow privity of contract. Other says we don't follow privity of contract. हम कहते हैं यहाँ पे हम कहते हैं third party can enforce. यहाँ पे हम कहते हैं third party cannot enforce. प्रिविटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉलो हो गया यहाँ पे नहीं हो रही है. अब ये कब होता है? ये उन केसेस में होता है जैसे हमारा एक केस है जमुना दास केस है. मेरे को पूरा नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है बट ये केस हम कर लेंगे. देन यहाँ पे है हमारा एक मैं शॉर्ट नेम बता देती हूँ उसका. जो केस है वो है ये केस है एक बीटल लीव एक्सपेंसेस केस है. और इसमें एक और केस है वो इसके रिगार्डिंग नहीं है, वो कंसिडरेशन प्रिविटी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन के रिगार्डिंग है. प्रिविटी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन इसके रिगार्डिंग जो हम केस लॉ करेंगे वो है एक चिनैया वर्सेस रमैया केस. ये केस लॉ है जो कि हम करेंगे जब और डिटेल में हमें पढ़ना होगा. नाउ regarding English law we have few things. Regarding English law, it's not just Indian law that we need to study. We need to study English law because we have our contract act through common law. So इसमें जो English law है, पहली बात तो ये क्या बात करते हैं, इनमें एक केस आता है डटन वर्सेस पूल. यहाँ पे एक केस आता है, ये 1667 का केस है. जब इसमें क्या होता है इस केस में कि एक सन है, there is a person, there is a father, he's selling his wooden plantation for marrying of his daughter. Now this his son regarding his son tells him, if you do not sell these plantation, I will provide £1,000 for her wedding, the daughter's wedding. Father forgo to or did not sell this plantation and married the daughter. Now marriage takes place. Later father dies. Now father is dead. What this son has done, Now he does not provide this £1,000. So the daughter and her husband goes to the court for this money that they think they are entitled to. Now this entitled to is fine, but when this thing happened, that uh, the issue here happens is because she was not a party. Issue was the son has said the daughter was not a party to the agreement. Daughter is not a party to the agreement. Not a party to agreement. How can she, and also she has not given any consideration also. No consideration from our side. These were the few questions or issues that arose. Now what court held here is that she is entitled £4,000. Why does that so? Why? Because the brother has, or the son has, taken wood plantation plus £1,000 also, and he's unjust. There is unjust enrichment to him. Enrichment to the son. That cannot be done. That can't be done. Also, now regarding the consideration, if we say regarding consideration, has she given any consideration? The daughter has given some consideration. Consideration was there or not from the sister side? Yes. The court said yes, it is. Why? Because she had the son not promised, the daughter must have gotten that thousand. Daughter must have gotten £1,000 when the wood plantation plantation was sold. Could have, like, wood plantation if was sold. She is at loss, obviously. She is at loss. So she has given those 1,000. This is her consideration now. This is not her consideration, unfortunately. Not her. This is not her consideration, I would say. The consideration is not this. This wood plantation was her consideration. Because it was not sold. So this consideration from her side is that the wood plantation, had it been sold, she would have gotten her money. But because of the promise of this brother, she did not. Promise of the brother or son, whoever it is, she could not get the money. Now let's see how do we do this later.